Yeah, this campaign should be given to each and every society. This act should happen in across whole Mumbai or even across the world, I feel.
Very good. I have learned many things from this workshop. How to avoid abuse, sexual abuse, internet abuse, and how to be secure from this. I like to spread this message in my surrounding and over all the world.